Ka Directorate of Arts and Culture ka Sarkar Meghalaya, kala pelong ya kalumpung ajing hikai bat ya merjing mot ka basansngi, na ka benta ki Khynnah ki Duna Khubor sngo bat thlun ban kren, haskul Ferrando Speech and Hearing Center Umnyu Kwan, Khubor District, na do ka khat santrik unaitung. Dia kini kalumpung ajing hikai lakhot kerteng deka umbrella project scene 3, hakaba in ajing hikai ki Khynnah banile kai drama. Hakini kalumpung ki Khynnah ni kibi ki district kini shimenta bat kini kenduk lang bani merging bot bat parliament sim paramaki. Ka director social welfare kediki di Shira kalalong ka kongsan ha ka sngi play kini kalumpung. Ha ka jingkren lingkot kediki kalai thuo bakini kede kasin ka balai bala pelongkum kini kalumpung ye kenduk jung ki Khynnah ki Duna Dkhot met. Hakisnem balala la pelong Shillong batura balayu isha biklawan rak jingmentoy na kabenta kini Khynnah kalaong. Kalau orang kini kijing ya kenduk ki pencelur bat penklanya kemon berjuat jeng ini Khynnah bantur syaprang ha kijing jongki.
Iway pa iway, day, klam pendenkam sign language. Klam pendenkam sign language. Iway pa iway, one by one, will come here and tell me his or her name. Batai keteng i na, maka itu jangan. Is that possible? Kalau belum kata, bila benar? Bila benar? Bila benar? It's hard. It's hard. I know it's very hard. It's very hard. Any of you can do? Munung. Done. Done. Bala. Done. Bala. Imagine. Mudur. What does your name stand for? Kamut kumno kerteng jumpi. Nih, kamut kumno. Imagine. Dan kerteng jumpi mission na let's say ya.
This program was first conceptualized in the year 2019. The idea was to bring together all the art forms and artists under one umbrella. And then the idea was again to bring them to one place. I mean the theater artists, actors from all over the states, from all the districts in one place. And then let them mingle with local talents. We'll invite the local talents, and together they'll share their experiences, and then they can learn from one another. So that platform will be giving under this project, and then we'll engage resource persons, experts in this field. And then this is the third edition. First one was organized in Shillong, second in Tura, chapter 2 in Tura. This is the third. At the same time, last year in chapter 2 Tura edition, we came across so many persons with disabilities participating. So we felt that maybe for them we need to give them separate opportunity. That is why this time we have made this project specifically for PWDs only, starting with hearing and speech impaired persons. So we are bringing to a new district also, Khubor district this time. Earlier in Khasi Hills and West Garo Hills. Next time maybe in another district, maybe Joai. So from this project, from this workshop, we expect the participants to learn many things from the resource persons, from other artists, from other actors. Hopefully that this project comes out successfully and then brings positive impact to the participants.